Kathy Gill at Tower Safety, and today I want to walk you through on how to get yourself scheduled for this NWSA exam. This is not sponsored by the NWSA. This is something that we want to give back to you to show you what you need to do to help schedule a T1 and T2 NWSA exam. We're going to walk you through the process on their online website because we get a lot of calls saying, how do I do this? How do I schedule? What do I need to call? There's a little bit of confusion and we want to help you out. So let's walk you through the process. You need to log into the NWSA.org. So it's NWS-A.org website. Here you'll see the National Wireless Safety Alliance. From here you're going to go and get certified. So you find out if you want to be a telecommunications tower technician, antenna line specialty, foreman, exam fees, find a test site, NWSA endorsement certificate. We want to go to find a test site. So we're going to hit find a test site. We're going to say, all right, you know what? We're in Phoenix, Arizona. I need to find a test site here. So we find a test site here. We find, we go in here. Here we go. Find a test site. We need the Certification Professional Associations. We're going to select a sponsor. It's going to be the NWSA, National Wireless Safety Alliance. So we find the National Wireless Safety Alliance. Sorry, one second, it's all the way down at the bottom. We click on NWSA. Now you're first going to need to get your Telecommunications Technician 1. We hit TTT1, you hit continue, and now you're going to schedule for nearest site. We are in Phoenix, Arizona. You could be in Phoenix, Illinois, Maryland. Anywhere across the country do they have the PSI exams. So there's 2 exams you need to have, one practical and one computer-based. The computer-based is a third-party testing center through PSI that you're going to have to schedule. So we will pick Phoenix, Arizona, and then they'll search and look at all the different sites that they pull up. There's one 4.1 miles, 9.9, 105 miles away. So they're all across the country, these PSI testing centers are. All right, so we got one exam out of the way. It takes about 3 business days for them to get back to you. Now we need to go back. We need to schedule a practical exam. This practical exam, say Tower Safety, you're going to schedule it with, because we're in Phoenix, Arizona. You're going to say Kathy Gill is going to be our practical examiner. We go through the National Wireless Exam. We need to figure out our computer-based testing, CBT, and fill out our candidate application. So there's about 3 processes you need to go. Candidate's first name, middle name. You need to let the NWSA know that you're going to get a computer-based test, and then you're also going to need to schedule with an examiner. So this examiner, so we'll go over here to get certified. To schedule a test site so you can find a test site, find it. So when we're here, so you get certified, find a test site, open practical test site, find an open practical test site. So this is going to be our second part. You can do either one, either direction. And if you notice, we're in Phoenix, Arizona, Tower Safety, Mary Brand. We're here to help you with your practical exam. Now they're all across the country. Find one that's closest to you. Find that one that's practical and convenient that can do your T1 and T2 tests. So that's 2 exams you need to have. One computer-based test and one practical test site. There is no train the trainer in this NWSA. You can become a practical examiner by going through a practical workshop. You can also become a sponsor, but this is the way it is. There's 2 tests to take for your T1 and T2. You need to get a computer-based test through a PSI testing center, and then you also need to schedule one with a practical examiner across the country. If you have any questions, we're available at Tower Safety. We also offer online prep course. So we offer the National Wireless Safety Exam for the T1 and T2 by Tower Safety to help you successfully pass your PSI exams. So if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime at Tower Safety, 602-900-7668 or info@towersafety.com. We'd love to hear from you guys. All right, be safe.